Okay, so guys, in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can share any kind of Excel file and it will be only readable so that anybody can read it, but anybody can't edit it. Okay, so what you can do is you can just open something called docs.google.com. Just go to this link. Then what you can do is you can open a sheet, guys. As you guys can see, this is the option to open a sheet. After opening the sheet, guys, you just have to open your latest sheet, whichever you want to share. So this is some data. Okay, this is some gibberish data I have typed here. So yeah, just type here something. Then to share this over the internet without letting anyone edit it is as follows. Just click on share. Then on the general access, don't keep it restricted. Otherwise you can't open it from any another ID till you gave the permission using this add people here. So just go to anyone with the link. So now anyone with the link can view this sheet. As you guys can see, this is viewer. If we go to commenter, the person can add comments to the spreadsheet, but it can't edit it. To give the editor permission, just go to editor. Now anybody with the link can edit this sheet. So now let's try. We'll go to viewer, then copy link. Then I'll just open our incognito window. Then I'll paste this link. And now the sheet is opened. Let me try to edit it. I can't edit it, guys. As you guys can see, this is view only you can view this document. So yeah, guys, this is how easy to manage permissions in Google spreadsheet, and this is how you can share an readable file using Google Docs, guys. It is pretty basic and easy. You don't have to share any kind of file anywhere. It's just the link, guys, and it's on the internet, so you can never lose access to these files. Thanks for watching this video, guys.